welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me. Happy New Week to you all and happy Easter to everyone that celebrates it, and I wish everyone a wonderful week. Thanks for joining me for a Walgreens quick video. These are the deals I picked up. The first deal is on Garnier Fruities. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 register reward. I picked up 2 leave-in conditioners and I'm going to use a 3 off 2 Garnier Fruities digital coupon, leaving me to pay just $5, and I'll get $3 register reward, making them just $2 or $1 each. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. I picked up the 2 leave-in conditioner for $8 and I used the 3 off 2 digital coupon. My subtotal was $5 plus tax. I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash, paid 62 cents with store credit, and I got $3 register reward back. Second deal I picked up is on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4, and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. I picked up 2 for a total of $8, and I'm going to use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. I'll end up paying just $5 and get $4 back, making them $2 or $1 each. And this is the receipt for this second transaction. I picked up the 2 toothpaste for $8. That's $4 each. I used the 3 off 2 digital coupon and I rolled the $3 register reward from the Garnier Fruities deal, redeemed $2 Walgreen cash, paid 62 cents with store credit, and I got back $4 register reward. The last deal I have in this video, I ended up not doing it, but I'm just sharing it in case anybody needs Dove body wash because I think it's a good price. They are on sale for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 register reward. Pick up 2 for a total of $16. We have an 8 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 8 and you get $3 register reward, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.